Welcome to my website. I'm Dr. Chris May, owner of West Village Dental Care, and I'd like to answer some questions to help you get to know my office better. I think what makes us different is that we're very small, very personalized care is given at my office. I really want to be the opposite of a big clinic. I want that personalized care. I want to give the care that I would want to receive myself or for my family. I think one of the most important things with picking a dentist is going to someone that you feel you can trust. And that's what I feel, that being very honest with the patient, not treating an insurance company but that individual, I think that's a really important thing. And what I like to do is just, I feel my job is to help someone make an informed choice. I don't force anyone to do anything, but if a patient is deciding maybe not to take what I would think is the best treatment for them, they're not going to be surprised if they experience things that are less than perfect, and maybe just by knowing something's a trouble area, they might, not chew ice in there. They might be more careful, which will maybe, if nothing else, buy them a little time until they can get the care that's most appropriate for them. Well, we take any insurance that allows you to go to the dentist of your own choosing. And I am considered an out-of-network dentist, mainly because to be an in-network dentist, the insurance companies dictate a lot in the way of how you treat a patient and the treatment that that patient receives. The in-network dentist will get around about a third less reimbursement for the care that is being rendered, which really provides a big incentive for the dentist to do as much dentistry as they can in the least amount of time, kind of like a production line. And I don't feel you can deliver good quality care, the care that I would want for myself or my family, under those guidelines. So as a result, I'm considered an out-of-network dentist. Surprisingly, sometimes the difference in cost is not as big as you might think. Sometimes by getting good quality preventive care can save you a whole lot of money, even at an out-of-network dentist, because if they're doing things that are done in a higher quality, you don't have to repeat them, and hopefully you're getting the most appropriate care, not necessarily the cheapest initially, and a lot of times that can save you money over the long run. Well, of the years that I've been in dentistry, I think professionally one of the biggest highlight for me that means that's most meaningful was I had a patient who was a patient for a number of years, and he's in his 20s, and he came in and lost about 15 pounds without trying and kind of had an ashen look about him, and I knew something wasn't right. And I suggested that he see his physician, his family physician. And knowing the patient, because it's a family practice, I didn't think he would follow up on that. And I called him about a week later to make sure that he did do that, and he hadn't. And I called him 2 or 3 times, and he finally went. It ended up where he did have cancer, and as a result of getting the exam earlier, was able to take care of the cancer and is doing really well, and it might have been life-threatening otherwise. So that just is such a fulfilling feeling for me to know that I might have had a part of that. Aside from that, from a professional point of view too, I've had the opportunity of being a mentor to dentists out in Seattle, which is the Coy Center is a world-renowned teaching center for dentists, and I go there several times a year and mentor other dentists. I'm assigned about 9 or 10 dentists, and I follow up to make sure they don't have any questions with the material that's presented. And also I have had the extraordinary opportunity of being asked to be a speaker in Damascus at a dental seminar before the Civil War, and then in Dubai also being a speaker there, which was a wonderful experience. I really appreciate your time that you spent on the website. We really look forward to meeting you and your family at West Village Dental Care. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to let us know.